So guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a way for you to make money from the comfort of your home. You don't need any resume, you don't need any cover letter, you don't need any Zoom meeting, you don't need to have any experience or have any degree. All you have to do is make sure you have your smartphone and an internet connection to be able to connect and get started doing this job. And the best part is everybody can do this, including children. Yes, you heard me right, children can actually do this. So if this is something you're interested in, please make sure to stick to the end of this video. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years, and I share my tips, experiences, skills, everything I've learned so far working from home, so you know where to get started. So if it's something you're interested in, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to this channel to be part of our growing community. So what I'm about to share with you is what a lot of people do at their spare time, but the difference is that they don't really earn money doing it because they just enjoy doing it. So how about a way of doing it and making money at the same time? So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you have a smartphone, all you have to do is to download the apps and then you get started. And what I'm going to be sharing with you is simply testing games before they launch them. Now there are different types of games, different categories, including for children. So that is why children are also allowed to come on board to be able to test these games before they launch. Now people that produce games, they are willing to invest a lot of money to have them tested before they launch, because it's going to be a waste of their time and resources if they launch this game without having them tested for them to make some improvement and change some things where there is need. So that way they will not be able to lose their resources. So that is why they need people to come on board, and they're willing to pay them to test these games before they get to launch. And there are platforms that are dedicated to do this, and I'm going to share with you 5 of them. Now the 5th one I'm going to share with you is going to pay you way more than others. So that being said, the first platform we're going to talk about is this platform. The name of the platform is Game Testers. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So if you come down here, you're going to see how to get started. You're going to sign up, follow the easy sign up process, and you get access to the game testing platform. And of course you download the app, then you play the games, and once you're done, you're going to be rewarded. This platform is going to pay you in something they call GT Gold, as you can see here, and you can withdraw the GT Gold by using STRM e-wallet credit in the shops, and you can use it to purchase prepaid debit card, gift vouchers, direct bank transfer, or in certain regions even gaming gears or mesh and clothing, stuff like that. So you can save your GT Gold for rainy days or cash them out as soon as you want them. So to get started, you have to be sure to check out all this information that is written here on their platform before you sign up here as a tester. And of course, they're currently testing on PC, Mac, VR and mobile games, or Android device or iOS devices. So if you're interested, just come on here and sign up here. So the second platform I want to talk about is called Misplay. They claim to be the #1 loyal program for mobile gamers, and here you discover new games, you play and collect units, then you redeem your rewards. If you come to the website, you just go through all this. You can get your payment via Amazon gift cards, Google Play, or PayPal, and even more. As of now, they have given away $150 million plus. So the website is quite simple, and if you must earn with them, you just go download their apps to get started by creating an account, and you're going to navigate the rest to get started. Now, it did not really state how much you're going to earn per game, but from the research, you can earn up to $10 in gift card on this platform, or you can withdraw this money via PayPal. So if you're interested, you might want to check out this Misplay. Now, the next place you're going to check out is Rewarded Play. Now the interface looks quite friendly. So here you just discover, like, let them introduce you to the newest trending games, and then you earn more when you play more, and of course you redeem your points for gift cards or favorite places. They also claim that they have paid over $15 million to their testers on this platform. So but this platform is available only in the United States, and if you're in the United States and you want to join them, you just come here and click download, and then you're going to see everything, more information about this platform, including their review. They have 4.3 review here. It means people are happy with them and they are giving them what they want. So if you're interested and you reside in the United States, you can check out this website. You can redeem your gifts via Amazon gift card or Walmart gift card and even more. So if you're interested, you want to check it out. So but before we talk about the last website I have for you in this video, if you've seen the value so far, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on our road to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us so far. And if you're looking to make application and you want to make a fast application that is tailored to the job you want to apply to, and that is ATS friendly, and that will allow you stand a better chance to get hired, I've prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that you might want to check out with the link in the description below. And if you're looking for other ways you can make money, you can check out the free guide I have also in the description of this this video to know where to get started. So moving on, the next one we're going to talk about is the last one we have for today, and it is playlist. So here you're going to be tested. What it means is that you will have some tests to do to be able to know how good you are with testing and what you should know about testing. So here you submit by signing up to the form. If you're eligible, they will send you a qualification test. Once you complete the qualification test, it is unpaid and teaches you how to play test. That's what the qualification test is about. Then when you qualify, you will be invited to play tests where you can earn money. And of course, to get started, you click here. Here you can watch this video to learn more about this job. So the benefit of this platform that makes it stand out ahead of other platforms that I mentioned is that there is no token or saving up points, unlike the other one I just mentioned, and there is no minimum payout. What it means is that any amount you earn, you can easily withdraw it on this platform, and multiple payment options. Like, they have a lot of methods that can allow you to withdraw your money. So that is the good thing about this platform. So you can see the testimonials of people that have used the platform here. So how much you can earn on this platform depends on the game you play, but generally a 15 minutes play test will have a reward of $9. So imagine you are able to test for 1 hour. It means you're going to be making around $36 per hour by simply testing games that people developed before the launch. So if you are interested, you can check out this platform here. I'm going to leave the link to all this platform in the comment section, so when you see it, please comment seen so that I know that you have seen it. And please let me know where you're watching from so I can make tailored videos to your location where you can easily find jobs in your location. To get started, you come here and click get started, and you get started by filling out the form and submitting. And hopefully you get an invitation to write the qualification test. So if you're looking for other remote jobs you might want to do, please check out these videos showing on your screen. And if you've seen value so far in this video, don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.